What's up, y'all? So this is Earthstrong Kitchen, man. So this is my breakfast right now. So what I have here, I have the potatoes here, and I made some eggs with some green peppers in there, different things like that. So what I have now, I have my oatmeal. Can't leave the oatmeal up. So what I like to do with my oatmeal, yeah, what's this now? That's a ground nutmeg, man. So I like that. You know what I'm saying? Very, very healthy with nutmeg, man. And what I like to do, you know what I'm saying? What's this, man? Ooh. That's the cinnamon. That's good for blood. And I mix that all up in there like that. Jeez, and you know what? Yeah, it's the vanilla extract, man. Very good too. Put a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And what I do, I mix that all in. Yeah, I already washed my blueberries, so a little bit. I'll stay with the berries because the berries are not that sweet. Blackberries, man. I love these, man. Like that. That's the almond butter, man. So I'll do a teaspoon of that. Yeah, right in there. Mix it all up. Put that to the side. Right here, man. I love my strawberries too. Cut them all right up in there. You know what I'm saying? It's about 2 or 3 of these. You know what I'm saying? These. Probably one more. Breakfast, man. Healthy. So that's it. All right. Now I'm ready to eat.